Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Skin Charm Studio. So today I'm here to talk about a trending skincare product, and that is retinol. Retinol is also known as vitamin A1 and belongs to the vitamin A family. What does it do for our skin? Well, it exfoliates our skin, unclogs pores, increases skin cell production and also collagen in our body. If you are newly introducing retinol to your skincare regime, use it once a week. As retinol is highly potent, it may shock your skin and your skin may react to it. To start with, you can use a serum or cream that has 0.01% of retinol in it, and then you can gradually increase it to 0.3 or 0.5%. You can start using retinol in your 20s, but if you ask me, it's never too late. You can avoid using niacinamide along with retinol and along with other active ingredients like AHAs and DHAs. You can use hyaluronic acid before using retinol, as retinol causes skin dryness, and do use a sunscreen the next day, as retinol can make your skin a little sensitive to its sun exposure. Use a mild cleanser before you apply retinol on your skin and top it off with a nice moisturizer. The retinol that I am using is from Hyphen, and this has 0.05% of retinol in it. It is lightweight and doesn't feel sticky at all. Although it is best to use the same retinol product throughout, but I have been experimenting a lot since I have a sensitive skin. So earlier I was using the retinol serum from Minimalist, and this was 0.3%. It has 0.3% of retinol in it. This also worked fine, but I just wanted to experiment a new product. Before using or introducing any new skin product in your skincare regime, please do a patch test and see if that product suits your skin or not, and do the same with the retinol serum or cream as well. I hope you found this video informative. Please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you liked my video. Until we meet again, it's bye from me.
Damn.